sea. This way and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go. You'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. It was a bucket and spade day. Ebb! Well, if you threw it so I could catch it. Ebb! Ebb thought this was a great game. Ebb! Ebb! Oh, you look after it then, Ebb, if you want it so much. It's too hot. I agree. On guard, Ebb. Oh. Ebb was puzzled. Was this another game? Of course. She was on guard. She knew that game. She played it before. It made her feel important. One for you, Ebb. Ebb was longing to play with the ball, but she was on guard. Now digging was a game Ebb understood. Look at Ebb. Hooray! Oh, Bird. The tide's coming in. Time to pack up. Where's the frisbee, Ebb? Oh no, Ma. Ebb's lost the frisbee. Wait, what's that? Oh, thank goodness. Ebb, it's no good telling the frisbee off. You put it there. I told you to look after it. Oh, Ebb. Come on, let's go home. It was a lovely bucket and spade day.